Hi guys, today wife material is baking fish pie. So guys, watch the process of me baking this fish pie. So here is the flour I'm making using of. This is 1 kilo of flour. Okay guys, this is sugar. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar inside and half spoon of salt inside, as you can see on this video. So I like mixing it with sugar and salt together. This is a baking panda that I add inside. 1 sachet of baking panda, I added it inside. After adding it, I turn it together, as you can see on this video. So after that, I go in with 1 egg, just 1 egg. So after I add it, I added 65 grams of butter. So I don't use too much butter on this because I don't have at all for now. So if you want to use butter, you can add enough butter if you want to make it. Okay guys, as it dey hot, after you add your butter, make sure you mix it like this, mix it together. And you can use milk or water. So let the water be cold, either milk, let it be cold before mixing it, guys. And when you are mixing it, just take it and put it a little by little until you get to that consistency where you want. Almost see English. So I don't mix and finish. So that the consistency when I want, now it be this one, guys. So I can't put her for lilo. After I put her for lilo, I put her for fridge for some minutes. Okay guys, if you want to do your meat pie, either fish pie, you can mix your dough overnight so that if they break, you will use it. So everything done ready for my own. I just mix my own today, use it today. So after I do the salt finish, I bring and come outside. I call the cut as soon as they see her on this video. Who they run now wife material. Guys, if you not test them, if you not test this thing, you go cut your tongue. I dey like do fish pan, not meat pan, because I love fish. Okay guys, just watch the process of how I roll this fish pan, guys. I don't have the things for us, so I have to use my komuche to roll it. This is how I roll it, guys. On a wife material, nothing where wife material no fit do. That is why they tell una say make una come register for my last class so that I can teach you guys how to be a wife material. You need to economize. Oh, see the way I take roll now. Who knows say na like this I take roll now if I not show you. See wife material, guys. Share this video now. Only wife material the runner. So after I do and finish, I have to use this thing to cut it to the shape of meat pie. Una see am so. Come and register. Stop wasting time. Now let me go feel runner for you. Oh my gosh. If you test this fish pie, oh god, every day you go dey make am. I know say some of una go still complain of this fish pie when I do. Before you start to dey complain, go and test it at do it the way I take do and test am before you dey start to dey complain. You never test and you dey come complain. This one when I do for you, if you try am, you go dey make am every day for your family. You go dey make am for your kids. Your kids no go stop eating this thing. It's so yummy and delicious. No, that is why I love to dey make fish pie. I don't too much like a meat pie. I know the two is sweet, but I love fish pie most. Oh my god, share this video. I don't roll and finish. Now the last one be this one. Even the dough still remain. So the remaining dough, I just fold and roll and put am inside without no fish. This thing too sweet, and that's why they chop and like say tomorrow. No, this one not reach a day break stuff. They eat and finish. Guys, share this video. Must see wife material. So I don't roll and finish now. So I go they use egg. This is egg. I miss the egg. They rub the body. I use a rubber me as a wife material that I yam. This is how you do it. If you can use oil to rub it, either butter, but I use egg to rub it. Okay, guys, please, guys, as you they watch this video, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment, share to your page so that many people go see am. Many people go see know how they take they do am. Una see am na the thing don ready. I don bake and finish. You see the look na very beautiful and yummy. Guys, share this video. Follow me for my page. Una dey see am. Una see the way e make pokish. Seafood na wife material dey run na. Make una come register for my online class. See, e no too hard for you to do. Una see am so. See wife material na. Guys, share this video. Don't forget to follow my channel, share and comment. Love you all, guys. Please watch this video to the end to know the process.